Welcome to Offgrid Victory. So I just wanted to give you an update on the container builds that I have going on here. This particular one is almost done. I mean, the roof is on now. It still has to be cut back, but and then the gutter's added over here. But fairly complete, and pretty soon we'll be able to live out of this one. And so I wanted to show you that, and of course the particular container that I'm working on now. So this one that's almost complete is really gonna house us. The bedrooms are in there, and then let me show you our waterworks area, the kitchen, and the pantry. So let's go into that container. All right, so I just have that particular storage shed right now for some of my tools while I work in here. And so this is the shipping container we're going to go into, and then show you what that looks like. All right. So first of all, this is the area where you're going to directly walk into. That's going to be the stove where that is. This area as well as that area, it's all going to get tiled, so it got the cement board material. And over here, it's going to get wooden flooring afterwards. It'll get a layer of insulation, then it'll get a subfloor, and then it'll get the hardwood floor on top of that. And of course, there's cross ventilation going on because we got 4 windows here across from each other. These are the sliding type. And over there in that area is going to be where the pantry is. So I wanted to create a pantry in this container that was dark and would stay cool. So we'll add a door here or curtains or something to keep that area separate from this living space over here. But as you can see, the drywall has been done. I still have to sand all this spackling material down, all the mudding down before I can paint it. But you can see that it's kind of on its way. Just need a few more days of sanding and we'll get that done. So let me show you the other side of it. Move you this way again. Okay, so this area back here, let me back up, is going to be, from here to here is going to be the kitchen. So we have about 6 feet of kitchen space in here. There's an outlet up there for vent, for a kitchen vent. So the stove's going to be on this side. This sink is just temporary. It's going to go into the bathroom, but it's just out here while I'm actually working. And this will both get cabinetry up here and tables on either side for workspace for the kitchen. And so that's why there's a door in the center, because we're going to have cabinetry in here and in here, and of course the stove up there and the vent up there. And so yeah, that's why the space is set up the way it is. And so let's go into the bathroom. So this particular sink, though, before we go, is what I'm going to use in my bathroom. It's a utilitub, I guess, a Utilitech tub, whatever it's called. But it's nice because it has a double basin, and we've used these extensively outside near our outside shower, and so and it served a lot of different functions. So we decided to put this in our container, and so yeah, that's going to go into the bathroom area. It's going to go in here probably. And so in the bathroom area, we have cross ventilation from these windows right here. And of course, here is our tub that I've been working on. And I'll show you that. This area over here is where we're going to put the ventless, well, I shouldn't say ventless, a tankless water heater. It's going to be vented actually. And underneath this area right here is going to be where I'm going to hold the water storage. And so it'll have water storage and then a pump to pressurize it, going to the tankless water heater, which will give me the hot and cold water for the bathroom. And so that's all going to be in that area. And over here is going to be the sink that I just showed you, the Utilitub sink. Actually, it's called Utila Twin, this particular version. model 27. Anyway, so here it is. I just had to read it. Anyway, so that's going to go over here in this space, and then we're going to probably put a washer in here, and so that'll complete the bathroom space. And then somebody asked me, hey, you got this bathroom and this bathtub, where's your toilet? Well, we live off grid, so our toilet is a 5-gallon bucket, so it's going to be a composting toilet. I guess in the dead of winter when it's really cold, what we'll do is we'll probably get a 5-gallon bucket with like a gamma lid that seals, maybe with a liner insert or something like that to just hold the smells in and the number 2s in there. We'll probably have that over here, but yeah, we're not really going to have a quote a toilet in this bathroom, because really it's just going to serve as a waterworks area where we can wash ourselves. This will be a shower tub, obviously, and yeah, that's what it's going to be, because we decided to just use an outhouse and a 5-gallon bucket. So yeah, the other thing about drywalling I just wanted to quickly mention is, yeah, you should have some kind of respirator or mask. This is what I've been using, that, or I have another mask that I've been using, and obviously it'll save your lungs from breathing in all of the spackle drywall material. And so yeah, that's what's left. We're going to go ahead and drywall this, spackle and sand this area a little bit more, and then we'll be ready for paint. And then afterwards, we'll get started on tiling all of this. So the bathroom area will be tiled. The kitchen area up here will be all tiled. And then we're going to go into this back area. Obviously, it's going to be tiled because this is where we're going to actually walk in. Let me show you that. There's the entrance. And so that's it. Alrighty. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Shalom.